Have you ever wondered, is social media dropping on us because of we just talk to each other and then many relevant contents of advertisements always pop up for us to see in the feed? This is because of when we input our information on the internet, it will be scanned, organized, and stored. This information is also known as big data. What is big data and why it is so very important? Big data is a term that describes enormous amounts of data. Both structured and unstructured data models are mixed in many businesses today, but it's not just the amount of the information that matters. What matters is how organizations deal with data separately. Big data analysis leads to insight for better decision making and business strategy moves. Where big data comes from. Data streams come from the Internet of Things and other connected devices that flows into the IT system from wearable devices, smart car, medical equipment, and industrial equipment. You can analyze this big data as it arrives, including decide what information to keep or not to keep, and what data requires further analysis. Social media data is generated by interactions on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. This includes massive amounts of data in the forms of image, video, speech, text, and audio. Is full for marketing, sales, and support function. This data is unstructured or semi-structured. Social media data is generated by interactions on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. This includes massive amounts of data in the forms of image, video, speech, text, and audio. Is full for marketing, sales, and support functions. This data is usually in unstructured or semi-structured form. Therefore, it presents a unique challenge for consumption and analysis. Next is publicly available information. It comes from large open source such as US government data.gov, CIA World, Facebook, or EU Open Data Portal. Last order, big data it may comes from a central repository, cloud resources, suppliers, and customers. And who is stealing our big data? Many tech companies are building our profile to sell to companies that will advertise with us as a target audience. Media like newspapers do not sell news. What they sell are the news readers or eyeballs that he sells to sponsors who advertise. Facebook also doesn't sell content or sell any feature, but what Facebook sells is users like us to people who want to advertise. Therefore, Facebook users are not customers but products. As we all know today, we are part of big data and big data is part of our life. For sellers who do drop shipping with e-commerce, we know that when we go to the e-commerce website to search for a good product, most popular product with normal mode are a very bad idea because it will show results based on our purchase history mainly, such as if we ever buy children books, it will also introduce children books, children toys, and also children clothing that are popular for us to see, which may not be a bestseller product for others, but there may be other products that sell better. One of the techniques popularly and very simple used by dropshipper merchants is to search for information by closing their own purchase history by using the incognito window in the search. With this method, we will get a new web page to use without our old data to interfere with the search, and our usage data through this incognito mode will not be stored in big data either on our own machine and other companies' data warehouse. Last but not least, if we use social media uninterruptedly, we will be a great product that can make a lot of money for it. But if we use it consciously, use it as a tool to stay in touch with the people we care about, as well as being used as a channel for disseminating our work. It would also be a great tool. Will you use social media as a tool, or will you be a tool for it? Let's choose well.